Now, have a look at what these will suffer in the closing days, when the day of God begins. On the day that God renders his judgment, the sons of men will all be assembled from east to west before my Father who lives forever. Then he will issue the command, and hell will open up its bars of steel and surrender those who are detained within. Then the undying angels of the immortal God, Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, and Uriel, who know the evil deeds of all mankind, will lead the souls of all out of the gloomy darkness over to their judgment, to the bar of the great and immortal God. And since it is his will that all men should appear, all of the animals and birds will receive orders to give back all of the flesh that they have consumed. Because all things belong to God, nothing ever perishes for him, nor is anything impossible to him. For at the behest of God, all things come to pass on the day of decision, the day of judgment, as took place when he made the world and gave orders to everything that is therein. There is but one who is everlasting, the universal ruler himself, who will judge all of mankind. Even so will it come about in the final days, for all things are possible with God. Also in Scripture he says, Son of man, prophesy to all these bones. Bones, joined together with bones, then on with your joints, tendons, nerves, flesh, skin, and hair. Then, when God issues the command, Uriel will supply them with their soul and spirit. God, you see, has put him over the resurrection of the dead when the day of decision comes.